Hello everyone, today's news is industrial output slows to 4.9% in new data series. Let's come read with me. Have you ever wondered how India measures the health of its industrial sector? One of the most important indicators is the Index of Industrial Production or IIP. According to the latest data, India's industrial output grew by 4.9% in April 2026. This is lower than the 5.8% growth recorded in 2025, indicating a moderation in industrial activity. The biggest development is that the IIP series has been revised. Earlier, the base year was 2011 to 12, but it has now been updated to 2022 to 23. This means the index will now take 2022 to 23 as 100 and measure future growth relative to that year. The new series has also expanded its coverage. Earlier, IIP covered mining and quarrying, manufacturing and electricity. Now, gas supply and water supply, sewage and waste management activities have also been incorporated, making the index more comprehensive. Looking at sector-wise performance, mining and quarrying output declined by more than 5% in April 2026, making it the weakest performing sector. Manufacturing, with accounts for nearly 75% of the IIP basket, grew by 6.2%, slightly lower than 6.3% in the previous year. Within manufacturing, six industry contracted major decline were seen in coke and refined petroleum product, which fell by 0.4%, and wearing apparel, which declined by 7%. The sharpest fall was recorded in wood product other than furniture, where output dropped by 12.5%. On the positive side, electrical equipment manufacturing grew by an impressive 19.2%. Under the use-based classification, primary goods, consumer durable and consumer non-durables recorded slower growth at 0.8%, 4.3% and 2.8% respectively. However, intermediate goods grew by 7.7%, while capital goods and infrastructure goods showed a strong growth of 16% and 7.1%. The new IIP basket now includes 1,042 products mapped to 463 item groups compared to 839 product and 407 item groups earlier. The sectoral weight have also been revised based on the update gross value added or GVA series of 2022 to 23. For UPSC, remember three key points. First, IIP growth slowed to 4.9% in April 2026. Second, the base year has been revised from 2011 to 12 to 2020 to 23. And third, the new series provides broader coverage and more detailed classification, making India's industrial data more representative of the current economy and the topic highly related to GS Paper 3 economy. Thank you for watching.